proactive English practice.
Lesson 1. Your English is so good. Hi, Mary. I wanted to tell you, your English is so good.
Thank you, Thomas. That's very kind of you to say.
How did you become so fluent in English?
Well, I've been learning English for many years.
That's impressive. I'm still learning.
Don't worry, Thomas. Practice makes perfect.
Do you have any tips for improving my English?
Sure, try reading books and watching English movies.
I'll give that a try. Your pronunciation is excellent too.
Thanks. I practiced a lot to get it right.
You must be a great student.
I do my best. Learning a new language is fun.
I'm a bit nervous about speaking English.
Don't be. Just have confidence, and you'll improve.
Thanks for the encouragement, Mary.
No problem, Thomas. Keep practicing, and you'll do great.
I appreciate your advice. Your English is inspiring.
You're too kind, Thomas. Keep up the good work.
Lesson 2. Mail. Hi, Lisa. Did you check the mail today?
Hi, Mark. Yes, I did. There was a letter for you.
Oh, really? Who's it from?
It's from your grandma. She sent you a birthday card.
That's sweet of her. Thanks for letting me know.
You're welcome. I put it on the kitchen table.
Great. I'll open it later. Did you get any mail?
No, nothing for me today. Maybe tomorrow.
I hope you get some good news soon.
Me too. I love getting letters.
Do you still write letters to your friends?
Yes, I do. It's fun to send and receive letters.
That's true. It's more personal than email.
Exactly. Do you need to send any mail today?
Yes, I have to send a thank you card to my friend.
That's thoughtful of you. I have some stamps if you need one.
Thanks, Lisa. I'll take one.
Here you go. Let me know if you need help with the address.
Will do, Lisa. Thanks for your help.
No problem, Mark. Have a great day.
You too, Lisa. See you later.
Goodbye, Mark.
Lesson 3. Introducing myself and my job. Hello, Alice.
Hi, Alex. How's it going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Busy. I've been working a lot these days.
What do you do?
I'm a nurse.
That's interesting. Where do you work?
I work at the city hospital.
Do you like your job?
I love it. What do you do?
Not much these days. I'm looking for a job.
What kind of job are you looking for?
I'd like to work as a computer programmer.
Well, good luck.
Thanks. Lesson 4. A new student's first day.
Excuse me, can you help me out?
Sure. What do you need?
Thanks. I'm a new student here, and I can't find my classroom.
What class are you looking for?
Math. It's in room 104. Where is that?
Hey, we're in the same class. We can go together.
Thanks. Oh, I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm David. Nice to meet you.
By the way, how long does math class last?
Every class lasts 50 minutes, then we have a 10-minute break.
Are you in any clubs?
I'm on the soccer team and in the school band.
Oh, I'm in the band too. When do we practice?
Practice starts at 3:30 in the auditorium and lasts until 5 o'clock.
Where's the auditorium?
I'll show you later. Oh, hey, we'd better get to class. It starts in 5 minutes.
I can't believe it's the first day of school again.
I know. Summer went by so quickly. How's your schedule for this semester?
Let's see. First period is chemistry, then history, then music.
What time do you have lunch?
My lunch is from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock. How about you? What are you taking?
I'm taking geometry, physics, English, French, and my lunch is at noon.
What time is your English class?
My schedule says it starts at 1 o'clock. The teacher is Mr. Alex.
Uh-oh. I've heard that Mr. Alex gives really difficult tests and lots of homework.
You're kidding. I think I'm ready for summer vacation already. Lesson 5. Rainy day. It's raining really hard outside.
Yeah, it's pouring.
I forgot my umbrella.
That's not good.
I'm getting soaked.
Let's find some shelter.
Look, there's a cafe.
Good idea. Let's go in.
It's crowded in here.
People trying to escape the rain.
I like the sound of raindrops.
It's soothing.
Do you have any hot chocolate?
Yes, they do.
I'll have one, please.
I'll get us a table.
Thanks. It's warm in here.
Much better than outside.
The rain makes everything fresh.
Nature's way of cleaning.
I can see raindrops on the window.
It's like a watercolor painting.
I hope it stops soon.
Me too. But for now, let's enjoy our hot chocolate.
Agreed. It's cozy in here. Lesson 6. Do you speak English? Excuse me. Are you American?
No, I'm from Spain.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How long have you been here?
2 years.
What do you do for work?
I'm a student. How about you?
I work for a travel company.
That's great.
Lesson 7. Where are you from? Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Thank you for asking. Do you speak English?
A little. Are you American?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I'm from California. And you?
I'm from Germany.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lesson 8. I'm hungry. What do you want to do?
I'm hungry. I'd like to eat something.
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
What kinds of Italian food do you like?
I like spaghetti. Do you like spaghetti?
Where do you want to go?
I'd like to go to an Italian restaurant.
No, I don't, but I like pizza. Lesson 9. That's too late. Would you like to get something to eat with me?
Sure. When?
At 10 o'clock.
10 in the morning?
No, at night.
Sorry, that's too late. I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Well, how about 5 p.m.?
No, I can't because I'll still be at work.
Then how about 7 p.m.?
That's fine.
Lesson 10. Now or later. Where are you going?
I'm going to the store. I need to buy something.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Sure, why not? Let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Lesson 11. How have you been? How have you been?
Not too good.
Why?
I'm sick.
Sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It's not serious.
I hope you get better soon.
Oh, thank you. How's your wife?
She's good.
Is she in America now?
No, she's not here yet.
Where is she?
She's in Canada, with our kids.
Well, I have to go now. Please tell your wife I said hi.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Okay. Bye.
Lesson 12. Asking about location. Excuse me, I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is?
Sure, it's down the street on the left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
How far is it?
About a mile and a half.
How long does it take to get there?
I think 5 minutes.
Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there.
Lesson 13. Buying a shirt. Excuse me.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Yes, can I see that shirt on the top shelf, please?
Sure, here it is.
How much does it cost?
$50.
50? That's too much.
How about this one? It's on sale for only $35.
I don't like that one.
How about the one next to the black gloves? It's very similar to the one you like.
That's nice. How much is it?
$30.
That'll be fine.
Is this color okay? Or would you like a different color?
That blue one's fine.
Do you need any more of those shirts?
Yes.
How many do you want?
I'll take 2 more. A red one and a black one.
Sure, here it is.
Lesson 14. Vacation. What's today's date?
It's July 5th.
When are you going on vacation?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Yes, I know.
When are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 17th.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you.